No hiccups.
So I found the straw that she was using, and it's actually a recent Shark Tank product that Mark ended up investing in. It's this new hiccup straw that you literally just put into water, then drink through it, and the way it's designed is that it generates enough pressure to stop the hiccups. I've been seeing this thing everywhere, like I even see them in hospitals now. But honestly, just crazy something like this even exists. If you guys want to check it out for yourself, I'll go and I'll add a link to it right here on the video for you. They're on the TikTok shop and they're crazy cheap.